Yanya Nana Kwame Dankwa, Ewa Homano Sunti, Mayanko, na yani NK Dinko Twankoma Kitchen. So, hello, Nana.
Yeah, big.
Aha, Tessia di Mudaho. Now, Casanana, Humanintine was a Yakonia science of Babium.
Oh, okay. If I do ya essay, and I'm in Shasibium.
Me patrol with the chassis because chassis and the chassis say a Chicaka.
Yo, okay. That's once again. Now, me chia Kotoko supporters. Now, my chia Santimai. Achia na Nama Trankunya. Now, my chia Santimai road 2432. Kotoko Ra. Now, Madam Martin, so for this opportunity. Couldn't be a band, no. You can emphasize that more trading upon say, a NP, and then she say, and at the home in the year home. And watching so na me bo IMC no abaso na kwesi ewu kontomponi afere hine da no. I think that in the leadership star any the rate at which on ye din so na on ye I mean djuma no me say was show leadership on any management and then technical team so ne playing body so ebo Muhammad na supporters so ma me fa kwanya so na me na Kotoko supporters, especially me executives almost great Accra. Last week, na say yes, last week na me Kumasi after Karela match, because of Coach Kwesi Apia, about to ane Watermalenti. Na me Kumasi ebesi Thursday, Friday after na me back. But as you say, so I mean executives, in my absence, they were able to meet as scheduled. Plan B, it went accordingly. And Timmy be do Sunday and so yes say I yedi go akwan so ko hia on baby am 24 person moda on me to tuning na Timmy be do ya pe mo makwaba e just supporters na na mu ya presentation mo de what chire de yeri nya na bitime gina kwa ho aka ba make say the executives and the members of Greater Accra and other supporters eya adwumaden I mean omo ni da ho esi nkete say come what me o see Timmy nya your first win e Greater Accra. Makasi nye yenko ada regional chairman chairman Fuzi Obi chairman Oben Alexander Manu me fancy takwa this so chairman voter regional chairman omo nyina after me e ma say together no and amobi ani to be another they also want to know and make say a working to profession even in adwuma IMC no na wu ankasa di anim hwe say ya to ne kama no make say anya me nwanwa say at the end of the day na match near den but at the end of the day what matters in association football no and na Kotoko nyae I mean time added on mo na ye wia ne sa but the fighting spirit of the players I was with them at our camp no I was with them in our dressing room and even before the game and koma ye di na official expression I realized they are in for something and they were all ready. And I want to take this opportunity. Namadai na wase namaka say me bo enenkunim die ni na tofa. Make I say in Kambom unity. And it is an enkunim die ba na bae. But the message I can say moving forward. This is just the beginning of we naba. Maybe I need that before the game and then yakra. Na ye me daje se match ba wie ne ye we ni a hefa bi me be sa akwa. But thank God say nyame a we empire for. Not for said ye my and I deserve no and no na one man could be aba best 3 points be paid every baby dano edi aba at least respectable position na your subsequent matches no ya taken from it make I say name could be here he was victory sweet one pa and immediately after the match and IMC chairman yes and fan in dressing room so I led him to the dressing room together with the national chairman IMC chairman saying could be aba no nantina ya mana e fedodo and until my way bonus near 700 Wapija mu the 4,000 for this including
Nana.
Yes, sir.
Me pacho hono sa si subi mame.
I am the chairman of the 2 players anymore dressing room. Say, share my to amount on my way bonus 700. But the rate at which I come fast we need today's game, no. A son on his supported in any Amanabroso. Into a PGM from 700 for this game, 2,000 Ghana.
2,000 Ghana cedis.
1,000 Ghana cedis per player for bonus instead of 700, no. Or the 4,000. And I don't see a place energy and a Christopher Damenya, national chairman. As you say, supporters, any idea no other supporters, no players, I'm proud. And until also the supporters, it is 50 million, 5,000 Ghana cedis. the players for name couldn't be no. The there and there no hand you over to the captain that lad.
5,000 Ghana cedis.
5,000 Ghana.
Physical cash.
Physical cash. Our dressing room. So omonye na omo and proud and the supporters. Now supporters we hear more from them. Not only on promise omo, but when they are able to win matches for supporters na ye negia. Obey no unannounced all the time at their mom. And the him say Nyami admire next game against Adriana on Friday. You didn't kabum any croye. Na ye dia face side game Nyami admire Friday. Or Baba Sports Stadium.
Nana, yes, season national near my den kaka Ediama Kumasi Asante Koroko the first 3 matches na Kotoko Ntiminya win. Win no finally aba. Bam so regional warrior chairman ho Greater Accra and I win no enso so ebaye. Was there anything special? Yeah. And as I know supporters one kind yeah. Ekofa as I win we the break Kotoko.
Said na me kasa na me kan no me kasa me boni tofa. Sabe fisemunyen to maguni senior hatawa bonten. But as supporters ye the GDA any the ayana ye I GDA say eboy. I think that supporters in Greater Accra did that. Ntoboa. Now share ahokeka for the year contribution no na ma ho se supporters no eni abre. Bibia e ka se enye bi obi abema na dwuma so onye bia no omfa ni agro ahokeka no kosoro enti me ka aboma no tofo aboma me ka se unity en kabom ene ntiase a ye de ye adwuma no ene na de sa nkunim de ni brain and players nso eni ye hwambo. They also played. In fact, any game na very tactical. Obi nya kwanya hwe game ni bibia no na tactical pa me who say ye coaches no echo into the game no with a mindset to be, especially with the first half no. What to consider be game anymore. I mean, yeah, close. To say yen be mu Lions for no pretty from their backyard, and most of the time people were even thinking that na Kotoko and Rachi omo. But no one took it a game plan be a rasipa on the board by the But second half no coach he changes to be and also changing the game plan. And I think that also what to perfection. And the players, they deserve to be commended, the papa. I mean, I don't want to do that too much for them to be swollen headed. But of course, Ubi there, he deserves to be praised. If the pana there, you better criticize it. The fighting spirit of the players. And the Carrella game, and then so they played to a similar part in a ball against Carrella. No? They were putting a lot of pressure on Accra Lions to get a win. And Anya Mingwa say go no bad time kudos to all of us. Togetherness in this and Kabum they approach this game. No? I strongly believe that I know na pay results here in May.
Looking at Kumasi Asante Koroko quality of what team nimu, anyhow resilient, any the kind of fighting spirit our team need done at the end. And their performance in totality. Kumasi Asante Koroko supporter. Our bottle. They are conform. And they are some of catching in
the American say your team in the future no very bright. I think that we need to encourage the boys, especially the younger ones no more team anymore. You could see that the potential is there. Omo munya kwenya start game. Ubi aye any from there. In the course of the game, coaches need changes. And the new players in by. I'm saying the only old player Opemsuo. I think I remember back and Justice Blay.
Yeah.
The rest of them are buying new boys nearby. But you could see, I mean, it was too high. And then the senior players no team no Eddie leadership. I mean, encourage young ones, and the young ones this are youthful exuberant, and so complemented the effort of the experienced ones. You could see the lad directing from the back as a captain and the leader of the team. Now he needed this resource badly, and which is very determined, and he was pushing the boys here and there. At the end of the 90 minutes, referee Miss Bow, Eddie Mackenzie, and the first in the baby. Na yetimenya one goal. Na timing of the goal no. The electrified stadium no. And my man for energy here. After the game, you see comments around that. But the supporters any idea. Oh, your supporter, the mechanic say, I can't see a boys, and see a bomb, and gradually they are picking up. And I'm fighting spirit, I wish that And yes, me make me here Katama for a matching in me can the and I'm here regional chairman. Me see how you winning in a mechanic the no. What the way supporter, Yami Adma come Friday. One got a brother for any behind we will hold the American once and and the coaches, or my approach to the game or no. I mean, who said,
no,
the game the year.
What do you mean, Chawano? Na, meet you on Mount Waka Friday twice. Kotokonia Diana Stars match, no, Friday.
Friday, yes.
Okay, time bang.
Time moment I may confirm, Mama, but the match is on Friday.
Okay. Thanks for the
match is
exclusive.
on Friday.
Okay. Intimate watch out to us, mama.
Yeah, it is a boy, yeah, more boy, I want that we are playing a Diana game on Friday. And until we need to come and appreciate what the players have done today for us. Now, let us encourage these players. And I know say they will give us their results. And then they played their heart out. And Accra Lions also gave us a good run for our money. Tactically, they were also good. They also played well. But at the end of the day, Kotoko prove here. So only penny bekuna umpum. But results we should not be a result. I am the chairman catching home. Yes, any jenny the aba. But maybe any mrosuma you in fear home. I will say something day so. And then to wash home crying. I'm a manty and so assistant coach a clue. It's not technical team playing body in and I'm so say bo. Say they will do their best to make sure some the millions of Kotoko supporters any idea. They need all that they need from us support and prayers. And they believe that when we do that for them, they also do their best to put a smile on the faces of Kotoko supporters and the family.
Nana, me that say for your time on our show. Before Friday, so say then I'll be back town.
Oh, I need to yeah. Meba.
Krobia Somawo.
How better now?
Ti yame aduma na watch we be show anim na obakuba so ama yehu na ye ntwetwe nkomo.
Na ba no report to Opemsuo dey na je say.
Aha.
Na unku kumase. E na dey ye nyina